Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to show you what I've added to my arsenal. This is the DJI Mic number 1. And so I've read a lot of reviews and saw a lot of things going on about the DJI Mic, and you know what? I gotta have one for myself because the lavalier microphone that I have now, which is the DR10L from Tascam, it's wired. This is wireless. So what can it add? What can it bring? And how can it help you guys in this channel when we are looking at technology reviews, unboxing reviews, things like that? So as you may see from the outside here, it's all wireless. It has a camera setup as well, so you can put it on top of the DSLR. It has a 250 meter transmission range, dual channel recording, up to 14 hours of onboard memory. It's portable, it's compact, has wide capability, so it just can't be just used on the DSLR. It can be used on an iPhone as well. And then on the battery pack itself is 15 hours of battery life. So you can really utilize it for a lot of different things, and we'll go ahead and cut this thing open. All right, here it goes. In the box, it shows us that we'll have a charging case, a receiver, 2 transmitters, carrying pouch, hot shoe adapter, 2 windscreens, a mobile lightning phone adapter, a mobile Type-C phone adapter, a camera audio cable, instruction manual, 2 clip magnets, and a charging cable. And here it is in this nice plastic pouch here. And I think the one that I got was used already because this happened. I don't know if packaging comes and looks like this, but this is all crimpled. So I'm just gonna leave that off to the side. And then this is a battery pack, full charged. This is the receiver itself, and 2 of the microphones, all wireless. So it tells us 15.1 hours on the left side, 15.1 hours on the right side, and it tells you that it is being charged or fully charged from the screen here as well. Take this out, and this is pretty small. As you can see here from the size of my hand, it's pretty small. So you can look and see, boom, just the palm of my hand. Nice, compact, small. And then when you're ready to bring it back in, it'll pop in just like that, all magnetic. So we'll leave that right there, and then we'll open up the box. Everything's inside this little pouch, looks like. And so in the pouch, let's take it all out here. You have some stuff. So you have some DJI, it looks like maybe some stickers. You have a recycling information for Germany, a little small booklet, and then quick start guide gives you everything that's on there on how to get started. And then you have a windscreen. You also have a auxiliary microphone jack, and you have a charging cable as well, which is a USB-A to a USB-C, and then the second microphone windscreen here. Magnets, I believe, are in this puppy right here. So you get a detachable magnet that is behind the mic. So this can go behind your shirt. This can go anywhere that you would like. So that way it attaches as a magnet, just like that. On here, we have the receiver. So receiver has looks like a hot shoe adapter that goes on top of the camera. USB-C to charge it on the side here. Power on and off button on there. And this is already picking up signals from the microphone already, not being recorded. On the side here, looks like it has the audio jack, so headphones, and also the microphone for the audio to go out. And I believe this is for audio going into the DSLR camera. And if you have headphones here, you can put headphones to listen to how the audio sounds like. You have a hot shoe adapter for USB-C. That's all integrated inside the charging case. And then you also have the lightning adapter in there as well. This is pretty awesome. I'm excited to use this. I'm very, very excited to use this. But that's all it is. This is the video for the unbox of the DJI Mic. If you guys have any other questions, or if you have any other concerns, or if you want to see me utilize this in various different types of weather, wind, climate, that's going to be probably my next video on the DJI Mic. Be sure to watch out and listen for that. But until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Peace.